Hey guys, welcome back. Let's try out a bottle lamp today. First of all, I'm sticking masking tape to create a division for primer layer. I will be applying primer only to the lower half of the bottle. For primer, I'm using black gesso from Attribution. Always use a flat brush for your base layers. It will help you to reduce the brush strokes. You need to let the primer layer dry properly. My primer layer is completely dry now, and it's time to remove the masking tape. Now we can start marking the pattern. For marking, I'm using a glass marking pencil from brand Apsara. I'm trying out a floral pattern today. To highlight the colors for your flowers, you can either apply a white gesso or a white chalk paint. I'm going to use this thin brush for applying the gesso. The white gesso I'm using is also from brand Attribution. I drew the pattern to cover the entire border. For lighter colors, always give a white base. That will help to enhance the vibrancy of the pigments. Now the primer layer is dry. For pattern, I'm starting with the leaves. I'm applying a green base for the leaves. For that, I'm using a green chalk paint. For flowers, I'm giving a violet base. You can add on the details after the base layer is dry. Now the base layer is also completely dry. It's time to start with the details. For the center part of flower, I'm planning to give an yellow shade. Before applying the yellow paint, let's give a white coat. For petal detailing, I'm using a shade of lavender and mauve. Start with the lighter shade and then blend in the darker one. Towards middle, I am adding more darker shade to highlight the center portion. Let's add some borders also to highlight the flowers using fine brush. And adding yellow paint for the center portion. Follow the same process and complete the rest of the flowers. After adding details to all the flowers, this is how it looks. Now we can start the leaves. Using a fine brush, I am marking the borders. I am using 2 shades of green for the leaves. Please check description for the shade details. And to highlight the borders, I'm using a shade of brown. The leaves and flowers are completely dry. Let's add some more pattern to the upper portion. I'm planning to draw a butterfly and we'll see how it turns out. Here also I'm starting with gesso as the primer. For a continuity, let's add some leaves also. For butterfly, I'm using a combo of blue and black acrylic. For the leaves, I am using the same shades used for the bottom portion. Now our bottle is completely dry. Now for sealing the bottle, I am using Varnish. It's a spray varnish with gloss finish. You can try satin or matte finish as per your choice. Always apply varnish in a well ventilated area, and this is how it looks after varnishing. And finally for the lamp, I am using this string LED light. Let's stick some synthetic cotton over the light to give a cloud effect. And this is how it turned out. I hope you guys liked the video. Please support with your valuable likes and comments. Also do subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you soon in my next video.